Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. It is Tuesday, March 3rd. We're going to try making a couple dollars a day. Hopefully we get some clean movement today so we can actually make a couple $1,000 so we can keep the bills away today. Let's see what we got going on here. We got multiple pivot points. We got a little bit of everything. Good morning, Travis. So right now, the close from yesterday, 24,995.75. 24,995.75. Then on top of that, we got a pivot point sitting right at 857.25. Another pivot point, 615.50, 615.50. And a pivot below us here at 235.50, 235.50. Our VWAP currently sitting up at 626.25 on the 2-minute chart. You're not gonna, yo, Travis, stay away, bro. Stay away. Don't get in yet. Don't get in yet. 21 EMA sitting right around the 491.75 level. Hey, Chandler, if we get 200-point swing, your boy may just have to jump in real quick. Your boy may just have to jump in real quick. I'm going to take what the market gives us today. I just want to make a couple dollars. Not trying to go too crazy a day. I'm gonna finish getting fully funded with Tradeify again today. Hopefully today. And then after I do that, then I may get some Apex accounts. I may just do those tomorrow. I was going to start them today, but I'm like, you know what? Let me wait. You gotta make sure the main's good before you do something else. So I'm gonna make sure the main prop firm is taken care of for the month of March here. And then we'll add a couple more. Because your boy's going for 20 grand this month. 20 grand this month in payouts.
Order filled.
No order filled, not yet at least. We gotta see some good movement at 9:45 and make me jump in. Yeah, Chandler, I'm still working. I got like two funded accounts passed with Lucid, and I'm not gonna lie, I blew them. You know, it is what it is. I was over leveraging on a 150K account because I was telling myself those were gonna be my home run accounts, and I struck out. Your boy struck out. And like right now, I could be fully funded with Tradeify, but I don't want to activate growth accounts. So I have growth accounts that are sitting. I'm just going to like turn off this subscription for them because at this point, there's no reason to even have a growth account since they have the select accounts now. So I'm not being hard-headed with myself, but I'm like, if I don't cut it off now, I'll always be trading the growth accounts. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not activating them. I'm gonna just get these select accounts funded.
What's up? You got any better playlists?
Huh? A better playlist?
Yeah, I feel like I'm in a video game.
I got you. He's like, I feel like I'm in a video game. That's awesome. I'm getting ready to retire some of these playlists.
Just as long as you keep like G song in it forever. Now I'm gonna sound like I'm about to go to sleep.
Oh God,
Yeah.
man. Let's see.
I think we need to hear that one
All right,
song that
boys.
G always
You might as well
goes
put that playlist back on, Duane.
Which one?
The one with the dog.
Yeah, like there's nothing better than whenever he's winning and then G is doing that thing. Is this like early Michael Jackson? Gonna rock with you.
There we go.
Hey, we try and rock something today. We try and make some money today. I'm honestly on the fence right now because since we're down here in the 24,500s, like I get nervous. Not nervous. I get like excited, I would say, because like since we're already down here, are we going to want to keep going lower? Maybe test that high 23,000 level. You know, I wouldn't mind that. That'd be a nice little 500-point move to the downside. Don't fight the markets today. Do not fight the markets today. Take what the market gives you. Let's get dialed. Let's get dialed. Looking like a bull flag right now on the 2-minute. What's up, BP? Couple more days, bro. Couple more days. We're gonna be grabbing dinner.
Duane is alive.
In San Antonio.
San Antonio.
I did not sleep well last night, not gonna lie. I woke up like at 3:50 in the morning, like wide awake. I felt like my anxiety was pumping for no reason.
I actually lifted yesterday, so I slept like a baby.
I did not lift. I did cardio yesterday, cardio and sauna. I'm doing that this week just to get the body moving. Next week I'm gonna add some weights, 50% of my weights that I normally lift, just to make sure everything's feeling decent in the chest area. Not trying to pull it again. But yeah, I woke up, so I told myself I cannot eat whatever cheddar sausages I had yesterday with my dinner. I'm like, I can't have those again. They must have some extra chemicals in them. Wake me up at 3:50.
Hey, did you look at that picture I sent you, Duane?
Yeah, the picture was delicious. You are definitely a grill master, sir. You're definitely a grill master.
Yeah, I mean, that's just my thing. I like to do it, and then eat just like awesome.
Well, real quick, for all the extra people that jumped in here, we have the VWAP. VWAP's currently sitting above us up at 624.25 area. We have a pivot point, 614, well, 615 even. We have a pivot point below us as well. Let me go down to it. Where'd it go? There we go.
Looks like it's hiding.
Pivot below us, 233.25 area. Well, 234 even. And then we got the 21 EMA, 50275. 50275. What's up, Jay? So, honestly, the close from yesterday was all the way up there at 24,995.75. So, massive gap down from the close from yesterday. So, be ready. Be ready. We got less than a minute for market open. And we're going to make some dollars today.
Dollars.
We're going to make some dollars.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Mitch. You have the best intro, bro. Not gonna lie. When you come on, that
Good.
good morning, man, you're a professional, bro.
Hey, well, thank you guys. Just doing it for y'all. How's everybody doing?
Another day in paradise, bro.
Good to hear. Good to hear. Who's on? Let me see. We got.
We got Moose. We got G. We got yourself. We got Carmona.
Nice. What's up, guys?
Market's open. Market's open.
Hey,
What's up?
Dancing a little bit. Very moose.
Yeah, that bad boy definitely dancing.
Hey, I'm trying to see this thing go to the upside this morning.
I'm trying to see it go anywhere with momentum. I don't care if we go up or down. I just want some good old momentum. Because right now, the market's trying to figure out what it wants to do.
True. I'll give you guys the weather report for today. Let me flip my camera. You can see my beautiful face.
Well, so you're out back again in that beautiful pool area, I imagine.
Yes, sir.
I saw the outside. You have the special fan at the outside one. So yeah, there you go.
Clean the pool deck and whatnot, so everything's nice and clean.
You're spoiling yourself now, man.
Here comes that pivot point. Here comes right through the pivot, right to that VWAP as well.
Okay, like those Miami traders with the iPad out by the pool deck, you know what I'm saying? That's to fit right in, you know? I'm just playing.
Testing this pivot.
How do I get off of this? There we go.
It's gonna keep pumping, Duane. You think?
We have that big gap from the close from yesterday. Honestly, who knows where we want to go right now?
Well, I just
knows?
know
Just be careful.
I want to see it go up. Where's our analysis person, BP?
He's in the chat. He's not on the stream yet.
He hasn't yarded over here yet.
Hey, BP. You hear me?
Where's Moose with the retracement?
Yeah.
No, that retracement was a little too crazy.
I know G made a grand off that push right there.
Good morning, Brett.
No, not even.
He 4,100.
4,100.
He just calls out a number. 4,100.
Are we getting ready to build a little bull flag? Or is this going to be Moose's retracement? Which one? I'll be wanting to get above that pivot point for a long. If it was me.
Yeah, my pivot's sitting right above the VWAP.
Okay, my pivot's right below the VWAP on the 2 minute.
Yeah, mine's below the VWAP too.
Oh.
From Duane's earlier spec, it's within Ninja Trader error, the half point or whatever.
Yeah.
You'll say it's 2615, mine's 2614.83 or something, it's close.
Yeah, mine's sitting at that 634.75. I don't know.
What time frame are you on?
1 minute.
Okay.
This is on TradingView.
Gotcha.
It's the Pivot's traditional auto thing that TradingView has.
Mm-hmm. That's what I have on my trading view as well.
Oh, heck yeah.
Run that back. Say it again. What do you have on TradingView?
My pivots. The pivots.
What are they called?
Indicator. This is called the Pivot's Auto. Pivot's traditional auto. Here, let me get it pulled up here.
What is that? EMA or?
No, the pivot points.
Pivot points.
No, because I don't use them, so I don't know how it might be called.
Oh, here. I'll show you.
Indicator?
Yeah, it's an indicator. Let me get this flipped here so you can see. All right, so it is the
Pivot point standard.
I think so. 'Cause on here it's pivots traditional. This guy,
Yeah, probably pivot point standard.
and then it turns up and looks like this when you're on it. These orange lines.
Oh, okay. Got it. And those are like the zones.
Yeah, so these are the pivot points that you can have on TradingView.
Oh, you
And,
fancy. You got a touchscreen. Okay.
I mean, it's just
So there's that retracement.
There's
Oh,
that
I thought it was a-
retracement.
There's
thought it
that
was a computer.
retracement.
Yeah,
Not
it's
gonna
that,
lie, I wanted to take it, but I was like nervous to take it
Yeah,
because I
it's
know
that-
I'm not supposed to be trading before 9:45.
Well, yeah, we would have watched you and saw you train before 9:45. Drive turkey.
I didn't take it though. I did not take it. I wanted to.
Yeah, Moose, this is that new Apple laptop that just got released with the new touchscreen feature.
Nice.
Yeah, just
That's
because
nice.
they haven't released anything new.
What happens when you got some money?
I wish.
And it comes with no shoes. That's the thing. You walk around barefoot. That's like amazing.
Because
Yeah,
you spent all the money to get the laptop. You know what I'm saying?
that's what I was saying. I was like, I had to sell everything, guys, except for this pool. I got the pool.
Yeah, I'm definitely probably just gonna wait till 9:45. We got no news today as well. No news today. Tomorrow, we got news coming out at I believe 8:30. Let me pull it up. 8:15, 9:45, and 10 o'clock tomorrow.
8:15, 9. Okay.
So tomorrow is a good news day for us.
As long as we ain't shopping, boys, that's all I'm asking for. No chop.
45, 10, 15.
Let's
We
see.
got, like-
Is this gonna be a big old bull flag?
Get above the. Is it?
There's the VWAP tab once again.
It's
Tapping the
barely.
view.
Barely. Man, we can just start our own like funk or jazz music group. I don't know if y'all played any instruments growing up. I was a percussionist.
I didn't play any instrument.
Yeah, but back in the day, you could freestyle the phone book, and it was so tight.
Definitely not.
No,
Definitely
you'd be like Joe Smith, and I'm going to get this, and it was incredible. He just had that thing, man. It was fire.
He's about that.
Are we getting ready to pump?
Yeah, look at that. Come on.
Yeah.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Please. Take us higher.
Take it higher.
All right, let's see if we build a flag right above this
Don't go
pivot
back.
point. I'd like to see a flag right above this pivot. Come on, Betsy.
Just thinking about it.
Go, Betsy, go.
I want to build the flag above the VWAP and above this pivot here. Look at that 5-minute candle. We're breaking through my yellow line once again. I want to take it, but I need some follow through. Let's see if we stay above this VWAP. I'm okay with us going down tapping it. I am okay with us going down tapping it. But I want to stay above it and above that pivot as well. There's the VWAP tap right there. There's the pivot point tap as well. Let's see how we react. Now we're below that VWAP and pivot. Nice times. Good job, bro. We do have some selling pressure, so. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies.
Oh no. Hey, while we're waiting, I know you'll probably get into it later, but did you have a chance to look at that Apex stuff?
Yep. So I did look at the Apex, all the rules that they got rid of, everything like that. They got rid of the rule that I kept getting hung up on, the 30% MAE rule. They did get rid of that rule. They did drop the trading days down to 5 trading days to request a payout. But they did up how much you have to make per day for the day to count.
How much is that?
I believe it was 200 or 250.
Oh, okay. Is that the same on each, like, over a 50K, it's 250?
That's higher than the other ones. Like on Tradeify, you only need 150 a day for that to be counted as a trading day. Same with Lucid. So they are a little bit higher.
Okay.
And they now have the end of day drawdown, where before they had intraday. So that's where if you would be in a trading, it goes green $1,000, then it goes to break even and you close, you lost $1,000.
Got it.
Where now they have the end of day you could choose. You could choose between an intraday or end of day. It's looking solid. I will probably get some accounts with them.
Yeah, just kick the tires.
Kick the tires, see how fast their payouts are. Since they now have an automatic approval process for the payouts as well, where before it's being manually reviewed.
Yeah.
So it should be, payouts should be fast, everything like that. Because my $12,000 in payout denials last year were because of the MAE rule. So now that they got rid of that, I'm like, okay, I could possibly do something with them.
And then trading for the chart, like I could see, like, you know, if you click on certain things, it'll open an order at a set thing. But did you check that out on Ninja?
I did not check that one out. I watched videos yesterday on the Apex stuff, and I totally forgot to look at the chart trader for Ninja.
No, you're just gonna do it today, and because you want to take one day for each concept. That's all. I mean, it's hard.
That's exactly what I was trying to do. CC, I love how you know how I operate. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that. What's up, YouTube? Welcome, everybody. If you're new here, we're trading the Nasdaq this morning. Futures. Trying to make a couple dollars. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Hopefully, we can keep a couple bills away a day. I am almost cleared to trade. Wait until 9:45 here. And then I'm going to be clicking the buttons.
What's up?
What's up, BP?
All right.
So much. Pulling up.
So what up, BP?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Doing all right.
Did you wake up?
He's got his war voice on, like you.
He's chilling in bed right now, I bet you.
No,
100%.
I'm at my desk.
Oh, he's at his desk. Wow. Travis, good job, bro. Green's green, fam. Green's green. Good job. Make sure you're putting your wins in the community discussion, folks, for all the legacy members in here.
Yeah,
Make sure you put your wins or losses in the community discussion. We're below this 21 EMA. So let me give you guys the high of this 15-minute range. High is 66125. 66125. I don't think we'll be testing that right now. If we stay below this 21 EMA, we may start to come on down. And right now, I would love to see us get a little bear flag, because a bear flag would just be amazing right now. If we could build a flag right in this area, right here, that'd be like, wow, perfect.
All of a sudden, Duane's like Italian. He's like, mwah.
All right, 20 seconds. I'm fully clear to trade. Hopefully we stay below this 21 EMA. We do have some buying pressure down here. Look at that buying wick right there.
I do want y'all to know this market looks like an absolute mess.
Pretty much,
But
pretty
that-
much.
If it's an absolute mess, it's time to clean the room. Let's go.
Let's see if this is going to give us a flaggy flag, but with that buying wick, doesn't make me want to go short. I'll say that.
I feel like today is a classic setup for wanting New York to reverse and then go and take Asia highs like throughout the day. But I just don't know if it's going to with like the whole global like war stuff.
Yeah, that's why I was hoping we would get some like good movement today. But right now, we just have that VWAP right there, which is now below the pivot point. Getting some selling pressure.
Man. Should we chop inside this range or what?
I hope not.
If we have one of those days where like the first like 2 hours are inside of the 15-minute orb, it's probably not going to move until later in the day.
Ugh.
That's the same could be said for Duane. Like, if he doesn't leave his house by 11 o'clock, he's probably in for the day.
I am going to the gym early today. I got a meeting this afternoon, so I'm gonna go do some cardio, sit in the sauna, all that good stuff today.
Cardio sauna.
So we got that crazy little selling wick. Let's see if this gives us a flag. I said I want a flag in this area down here below the 21 EMA.
I guess it's not listening very well, is it?
It's not, Steve. It's not. I wonder why.
Duane said, you best.
Hey, I think you left your vape at the gym last night. Well, that's where I don't vape or smoke or drink, so it ain't mine.
Vape at the gym. Like,
that's one thing I never got or understood. Like, people that smoke right before going to the gym, it's like, why do that?
Called a breathing exercise.
Or people
Yeah.
that smoke, period. You're smoking. Hey, listen.
Let's go through my yellow line with momentum, and I'm gonna take it.
I was
If we go
talking,
through my yellow line with momentum, I'm gonna take it.
I was talking to Chick and I didn't know she smoked. One day she lit up a cigarette in front of me and I was like, ugh, cut her off. That's disgusting.
if you're gonna
Tap-
be around
get
like
ready to
Moose,
tap
you
my
better
yellow
just
line.
smoke cigars.
That was quick. Okay, we just broke out of the 15-minute range, pulled right back in.
15 minutes straight.
And that happened so fast, I wouldn't have been able to close fast enough. Not liking that dance there.
So one of these SMTs have to play out. I just don't know which one. I assume the bearish one because I would want bearish over bullish at the moment, just to be with
just
trend
closed
and with
340 on that one. My bad, BP. Continue.
No, you're totally good.
Captain.
What I was gonna say is the NQ has already like basically made like a new high for like some pre-market highs. And then ES and the Dow both failed to take that same pre-market high, so that would technically be like that bearish SMT. Like, basically, the NQ manipulated higher, and the other ones didn't have like that bullish pressure, so everything's relatively supposed to be bearish. But then like the Dow has already taken London low, and then NQ hasn't. ES hasn't either, so that could also form as bullish. So that's why I said everything looks like a mess.
Thank you for that. It is looking like a mess, not gonna lie. I'm just happy I was able to click the button and make a profit real quick.
Making lower lows, lower highs here. Is that what I'm seeing?
I want to see the full breakout. I want to see the full breakout of this 15-minute range.
To the downside.
Yep. Let's see if we get a red candle here. I want the prices stay as close to this 21 EMA or below it as possible. Getting ready to tap my yellow line once again. I may need to move my yellow line so I could like chase it.
Yeah, bring that thing down.
So I could be like, good boy, good boy.
It'd be really nice if we could get like a short setup to go take out London and catch back up.
Need some better momentum here.
I'm gonna sleep.
No yawning, man. It's contagious.
There's my yellow line once again. All right, let me just like slightly move this down just a little bit. Help the market find where it's supposed to go. Rocket ship. No, I'm playing. Oh man. I gotta figure out what time I'm flying out, because I'm debating if I fly out like Thursday so I can get up to San Antonio for Friday. Well, so I can get up there for the Traders Hangout on Thursday night.
And you got to get your cowboy hat. You got to get your custom cowboy hat.
Be there at trade Friday morning from the hotel. I just gotta figure it out.
Let me sneeze.
Because all the direct flights, I don't like none of them. Not gonna lie.
What is it? It's the bad times or whatever?
Yeah, so I would have to literally be on a plane for 11:20 a.m. on Friday. Or I take a later flight, but it will put me in San Antonio for 8. And that doesn't work for me either. So
yeah, that's tough. Well, because everything flies through like a DFW airport probably. So getting straight to San Antonio is tough.
Well, the direct flights only leave at those times.
Yeah, because most of them are gonna go to that hub.
Yeah.
But you don't have a connecting flight. I would fly in a day early, man. That way you're just chilling.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking that.
And you could you gotta get a cowboy hat when you're out there, and then go do some stuff.
A cowboy. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be meeting old BP. I'm meeting with the captain. I was hoping he could like fly me in on the jet. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have to worry about.
I wish. I'm sorry. We'll get there soon, maybe.
I want to get my helicopter pilot's license. I feel like
that'd be baller.
That would actually be pretty cool because like there's like some really reserved like nice like luxury hotels that are like on the top of like mountains with like their own landing strips.
That'd be dope.
That'd be sick. Bro, just get a big old legacy lion wrapped on the side of that helicopter.
Yeah,
if I went through the line, I'll probably say legacy on it. You know what I'm saying? But not trying to be too flashy. You know what I'm saying? Though, man, look at that helicopter with the lion on. Wonder what they do.
Big pimpin'.
Right now, this market is not doing really anything right now.
I'm falling asleep.
Patience, boys. We got 10 o'clock coming up.
Yeah, 4 minutes.
Yep.
I
feel like we're getting. This is a bear flag on the 5 minute. Right. Listen. Your boy wants the waterfall.
Almost done.
Looks like a bear flag on the 1 hour too.
The more consolidation, the bigger the move. This is the Nasdaq. Sir. ADI. Welcome.
Anything can happen.
Anything can definitely happen. We're coming down to my lower yellow line. Just creeping. We're not going there with.
I might need to like start drinking coffee again because this is like putting me and my ass to sleep. It's like I feel like I'm in an elevator and like because it's like there's nothing on the charts. Let's go.
If you stand up, do 10 jumping jacks, spin 3 times, the market will move.
Yeah, and with my luck, it's when I'm not facing the market. That was when the drop will happen.
Yeah, so on this 5 minute, definitely looking like a little bear flag. We'll want to break through that yellow line, but we're just creeping right now. We're creeping.
Creeping and speaking.
We need speed.
Speed. I'm speed. Just like Lightning McQueen, baby.
Yes.
All right, let's see. We're coming down to my 2 minute yellow line.
Let's go.
Breaking out of the 15 minute range right there. Just broke out. I want to take the short so bad, but we got less than 2 minutes for 10 as well. Back into the low this 15 right now. We're below it. 5 minute yellow line getting tapped now.
Always when you just test the one, I just decided just to throw like 1 micro on there just because like why not? If I want it to be bearish, if I get smoked on one, it's not a big deal.
No, I feel like we're going to keep going down. I just want to get through this 10 o'clock. That's why I didn't just jump in, because we got 10 o'clock approaching. You know, I've jumped in before 10 o'clock before. I got murked, so not trying to do that today.
So,
First target to the low side. 423. 423 for the low side from the 15 here.
ES did finally take London low.
Sometimes Duane, when you're calling out the numbers and whatnot, I feel like I'm like in a war scene and you're calling out where to go for all the soldiers, and I was like, go, do this, do that. I'm
That's
like, yes,
hilarious.
sir.
Well, this is for BP. Well, we got the CE at 423. We got the CE at 423. Hopefully we get there.
CE of what though?
The 15-minute range, sir.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like BP put me in class over the weekend. You know what I'm saying? He put me in a class, teach me some of his terminologies.
Oh, it's 10 o'clock.
There's 10,
How's
popped
that
it right
going?
back up.
Somebody definitely got stopped
Yeah,
out on.
someone got murked. That's why I wasn't just trying to go short, because that
Man.
10 o'clock was approaching. No, not today,
If I
Satan.
was in on long on that, I would have passed my eval for this morning. That's where my stop was. Dang.
It's still looking somewhat heavy right now, so
It's gonna come right back down.
they just had to take some stop losses, everything like that, real quick.
Yeah, make some people cry. Please. Right back down.
We're back below the 21 EMA. Now we're above the 21 EMA, below the 21 EMA. This market needs to figure out what it wants to do.
Confirm.
You sound like when you said that, it sounded like a parent.
That's what I was kind of thinking. You need to figure out what you need to do.
No, like that parent voice came out because all of us have it that have kids. It's like you need to figure it out, man.
Me when I'm doing my math homework as a kid. Start crying. Right back down. Well, boys, what we thinking?
Well, I'm thinking I should have closed when I had the opportunity. I'm getting ready to kill this in a second.
I didn't
We're
realize
gonna
you were
keep
in a
going
trade.
down here.
Yeah. Just look if you see any numbers moving on the top right of his screen. That's how you know.
Well, no, I mean, if I look at the screen, I could see it, but I wasn't even thinking he'd be in a trade. He's just like he's going for it. Kick it.
I think we should make a new low, hopefully. Right
The
now.
shooter. Shoot some stores.
Oh, get out of here. I closed like 200, got $50.
Damn.
That's so Aggie.
Hey, you said green is green.
Hey, Steve, don't start with me, sir. Do not start with me.
Sorry, I had to chime in on that one.
Oh my god.
I like
man.
when Moose did it like one time. He had like $300. It was like $14.12.
I remember that. Hey,
Yeah,
a green trade's better than a red trade, right?
absolutely.
I would not believe, but I got ticked by one tick on my micro. One micro.
Ah,
And then it started dropping. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, damn, this is the famous 6-tap right here. It just came and grabbed that liquidity real quick and then just made that new low. I'm chilling though. It's all
yeah,
good.
I'm chilling too. Like, I want that 423 level, the CE from the 15-minute range here. But I need more speed. I'm just gonna rotate to a different account. Lock in that shameful $50. Green is green. Green is green. Feel like we're getting a bear flag right here. Come on. I need to get a new playlist while I'm in a trade, so I can't take my eyes off of it. No, I'm gonna kill this. Don't like how that just popped it like that. And we got that crazy buying wick as well. I want to put music on, but I can't stop looking.
If only G could sing that song. It's incredible.
It's incredible. Well, this was an eval. Slightly disappointed on that one. Should have closed when I had the chance. And watch it come down and do what I was expecting it to do.
My wife just messaged me and said there was a live thing, something alive that was delivered from Walmart. I'm like, what the hell is that? I went out and there's nothing there. So it's like, now I'm curious. What's alive that you could get from Walmart?
Well, they took the fish out, so I know you can't get a fish.
What? Well, she's just going to have to get back to me on that one.
We're above this 21 EMA right now. Still not trusting it right now. Still not trusting it.
We're not going to get chopped because we're too smart for that.
Yeah, we're trying to be smart. We're trying to be smart.
You look at the 15-minute candle, it's just like a mess, man. Wicks on both sides. A 60.
What's up, Tim? Oh, Steve, last night on the stream, Tim in the chat, he's part of the Traders Hangout in the live stream community now. He said he loves you on the streams, by the way.
Oh, thank you, Tim.
Oh, thank you, Tim. So that's a bear flag. But we just got so many crazy wicks on this flag. Yeah, thank you, Steve. UMBP add a lot of value. Dang, yes. What about me, bro? Dang.
Well, you choose good people to work with, so you know we're making you look good.
You know, I thought Tim was my boy. Guess not. Only BP and Steve add value here.
Well, you're learning, you know, in due time.
Yeah. I'm trying to learn from the best. I'm learning from the best.
No, I'm learning from the best, man.
Yeah, it's chopping right now. It's definitely chopping chops.
I'm looking at the ES and it's just like, and I know BP could see it, but man, there's some conflicts going on. Like on the, oh my God. Like the 2-minute chart, there's like a lot of doji candles right in a row.
I feel that one, Travis. I want to see this break. We haven't broken it yet.
So one of the things that I think that I know that we trade like the NQ like very specifically, but technically out of all of the pairings today, it is the strongest asset, meaning that it's going to be the toughest to bring down, considering that it technically broke or it structurally made a higher high, and all the other ones failed to make a higher high. Does that make sense? Technically, it's the strongest out of all the pairings.
Yeah. So pretty much, BP saying trade something else. Trade something weaker.
Now an ES would be weaker because they failed to make higher highs, but they're already hitting TP, and NQ is just struggling.
Yep, Chop City, Travis. You ain't lying. Look at these wicks. It's only 10, 11, feels so much longer. It's kind of crazy.
What are those days like? What?
You
agree,
know
this
the
is
market's chopped.
right.
You don't have like a single fair value gap.
They ain't got a damn thing. All I know is my account is up $62.
Hey,
Hey.
green's green, remember? Green's green. Getting some slight momentum to the upside, but I'm not trusting it. Because we got a lot of wicks on top of these candles. So I want to clear out some of these wicks so that way I could possibly take a long.
I want to see a long play out as well.
Maybe we build a bull flag. That would be kind of helpful.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, we're chopping. Look at that chop. Chop right back down right there.
You gotta get something after all this consolidation. What are you about to say, BT?
I was gonna say for the 5-minute chart for NQ at least, we want to see it like get above like 543 and closed. And then honestly, the same thing on the 2-minute chart.
Right back down.
And we're getting ready to go right back up. It's a seesaw. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down.
Freaking double Dutch jump rope over here.
Now you gotta be extra fast because there's twice the stuff going on. With double Dutch, there better be no latency. You're gonna like fall on that one.
Come on, Betsy. Is this going to be the flush? If we clear some of these buying wicks, oh, your boy may take another short. But at this point, we got to clear some of these buying wicks. Back below the 15-minute range right now. Back at the low of the 15. We're just ping ponging right now. Back above, yeah. I may sit this one out right now. Too much chop.
Chop
I just
chitty.
made a little bit of a what do you call this? I don't even know what this is. Like a little shelter for my phone so it doesn't burn up here in the sun with my shirt.
Nice.
That's how bored I am, guys, okay?
It's good though. You made a shelter for it. You gotta protect that lens from the sun.
Right?
The sun actually burns holes into the lens of your camera, just like it does in your eyes.
That was deep, man.
For real, that was real deep, right? It got real heavy there, BP.
Like if the Doors were still around and like Jim Morrison is like, come on baby, light my fire. You know that the sun will burn a hole in your lens of your phone just like it will in your eyes and open your consciousness.
We got a poet in here is what I'm hearing.
All right, we cleared out a couple of the buying wicks.
Yeah, but it popped right back up, man. It's like trampoline time.
New low. Give us a break, man.
It's gotta give us a break.
We're better selling off at the top of these pushes and then coming on down. We're buying at the bottom and going on.
Getting ready to clear out the last wick,
Brother.
which is at pretty much 660 or 460. Clear that out.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Gesundheit.
Let's see, we build a flag. A flag down here would be nice.
Yo, my 1 minute chart on TradingView is having an issue. It's like missing like 2 candles.
That's not good.
Nothing to see here. Move on. Nothing to see.
I've noticed that sometimes whenever I change charts and come back later and look back to where we were at in the market, some of the candles will go missing. I'm just like, but those were there earlier.
Yeah,
Like, where'd y'all go?
about time freaking NQ goes for the London line. I guess we officially, this must have been counted as the like official break for 15 minute or hopefully.
Anybody jump in?
I jumped in. I was targeting that 423 level, and then
I got
we did
murdered.
get the full flush. So
So bad. I got destroyed.
I'm not happy that you got destroyed. That's never good.
No, I'm not laughing at that. For anybody that got destroyed, I was laughing at something different. So that sucks. No, he doesn't want it like the maniacal laughter.
Now it's gonna come down. Look at that 2 minute retrace right there.
I was just laughing at how he said it.
Look, see? No, it's coming down. I mean, the 1 minute. Sorry.
Tap that 423 level. I close.
So fucking mad.
Feel your pain, brother.
My wife just doubled down and said there's something alive coming from Walmart. Like, what did she order? Broccoli or something? What the hell is that?
423
You go
area,
check it out. You
424
might have,
level.
might have to lock and load.
I'm gonna go to Walmart.com and type in living in the thing and see what it pulls up and try to guess.
Next target for me, 344. 344.
Be like a doll with like one of those speakers in it.
Yeah. It's like you gotta get it off the porch when it comes. It's living. Like, okay, what are you setting me up for?
What are you setting me up for? Come on, Bessie. We got 10 seconds. 10 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. Let's see what the next one is. I feel like it may pop us back to that 424 level, possibly.
Duane wants a flag, is what he's saying.
I definitely want a flag. At this point, I definitely want a flag.
I took a scalp right there. I'm only down $1 on the day.
Hey!
So
Hey man, we can all get together, everybody in Legacy, and like spy you the change to make you break even.
Yeah, 25 cents a pop, everybody.
No, 35 cents a pop. Let's give him a little extra. He's beat.
Oh man, need every cent.
Need
Not
every
gonna lie though,
cent.
I did close a little early there.
Hey, green's green.
mhm.
Green's green. Got that 370 approaching.
Have you been able to check if Lucid's gonna be able to get you a code?
I shot them an email yesterday. I gotta see if they actually responded back, because I reached out to Lucid and Apex yesterday.
Pushing that back up.
No, for that short entry I took, it actually top ticked it. I was lucky.
You know what I've noticed? That Tuesdays kill me. That I don't know. For some reason, for me, Tuesdays are no bueno.
Well, if you notice that, don't trade Tuesdays.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The wisdom I'm providing on
I
these
knew that
streams
was. I
is
knew some kind of funny
undeniable.
commentary was coming. I was like, wait for it.
Like for me, my worst day of the week is Fridays. That's like normally the one day out the week where I'm normally like, not second guessing myself, but I'm like, I don't want to go into the weekend red, so I'm like over analyzing everything.
That's me too, honestly.
Oh. Let's see if I can get out of this, because I did not get filled where I wanted to.
Yeah, looking at some of my trading history for this, I'm at like a 30% 33% win rate on a Friday. That's not good.
Don't trade on a Friday.
But that's basing it on 3 Fridays. So. See if we can get 360.
335. Gonna hit 335.
Well, I was able to get out of that one. We had a little bear flag put on the 2 minute. There we go.
Says for the original manipulation, it got a base hit at 344. So nice to see that.
We'll switch back to just in case I'm able to add some more. So it's not just $50.
Overall session low from when we opened it last night.
343.75. 343.75 is my next target that I had. Let's see if we maybe get another flag down here, take us lower.
Just tagged 360 just barely.
We're doing some consolidation right now, so hold your waters, hold your beers. What's up, Smooth? Lux Alga orb and targets for the 15-minute range. Lux Algo orb and targets. And he said for the 15-minute range, 9:30 to 9:45. It's a free indicator.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
Those are fighting words, man.
All right, got more than $50 on this account now, so now your boy's like somewhat happy.
Let's go. Going lower? Can we get another flag or what's happening? Give me something. Give me something.
I feel like we may keep stair stepping down.
Jeez. We got a nice cool breeze out here.
Yeah, it should be pretty good weather. I'm gonna be working on my pool later, so it better be good weather. So I like. It's not as deluxe right now as yours. But it, you know, but I mean, it's like I'm like working on the filter and stuff, but it'll be
Nice.
good. It'll be good. You know, once I like to tear it all down and fix it, just so it's just like running tip top.
Good old maintenance.
Yeah, you know, I mean, it's just that kind of stuff. I try to keep everything in like a maintenance schedule, basically, to keep it top shape.
Hey, got to, otherwise it'll just deteriorate without you even realizing it.
Well, yeah, and then it's just coming out of the winter this time. A choice is kind of made for me, so I'm like, you know what, it's time. Because the other time you can kind of punt it, but I'm like, I need to get in on it. And if I do it, I know it's gonna be right. So it's like, I'll just put on some music, chill out, get her done.
Tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we got the Traders Hangout where we talk life, we talk trading, and everything in between. Make sure you guys tune in. We're gonna have some fun once again. The Traders Hangout's always a good time. We're more relaxed. We're not executing trades on the market. So we can answer more questions, everything like that. That pump is crazy right now, not gonna lie.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all seen it?
Yeah,
Anybody in this?
crazy.
It just
Gee, I
said,
know
let
you
me
in
trap
this.
all these bears. Let's put them in some drawdown.
Heading for that EMA. It's
Yep.
gonna get there.
Let's see if we get like maybe a flag above this
Like-
424 level.
The only thing I can see is there was just like this 1 minute CISD and it got retested and now it's flushing some liquidity.
Right back down.
I feel like we're building a bull flag on the 2 minute. Let me drop down to the 1, see what we got. Yeah, same thing on the 1. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Let me crack my neck real quick. Get ready for this move.
Oh no, he's cracking his neck, ladies and gentlemen.
Gotta be
serious.
dialed. Gotta be dialed.
You gotta put on surround sound for that one.
I do not want to take it long until we're above the first target for today, which was 423. 423. So I want to get above 423 to take the long. Look at that selling pressure on the 5 minute candle. Seconds left on this candle. 20 seconds left. Come on, Betsy. You want to give us a flag here, or did you just like purposely stop out all those bears to come take it lower?
It was a good rug pull to get everybody on the same level. Now let's go. I'm hearing like dialogue in the back, like somebody's watching news or something.
Oh, let's see. Then
It was faint, like it came in and out, but it's like
Yeah.
commentary.
Oh, that's probably me on my iPad. Sorry.
Oh,
be
it's
your
all
own
right.
people, Steve. Be your own people.
It just kind of faded in and out, like it sounded like a sample in a song for a second. I was like, wait, but that'd be really weird.
It's just PW yelling at his mic.
Nice. He's a funny dude.
Dude, yesterday was a whole jam session. He was playing that, I forgot what song it was, but it was hilarious. He was just jamming out. I was like, man, I gotta hop back in the market to see this. It was funny. wanted to tap me in so I can go higher.
Good morning, Amanda. Good morning. I took a little scalp there, made 70 bucks. I tried pre-running for this bull flag here, but now I'm gonna wait till we get above 423 to make it a little bit safer. A little safer.
The 423, like your doodle is gonna be above that, isn't it?
Yeah, I wanted right.
Dang, okay. Just take off without me.
There we go. We'll take that. We'll take that.
How rude.
Not how rude. I called it out. I called the quick play out.
Yeah, but I'm at buy waiting and tap like 2 points above it.
I
So
said
it
if
down
we
to the bottom.
once we
Wick down
break
there?
through that 423 for the bull flag, that's the play.
Yes, sir. I'll listen next time. I'll tuck my tail between my legs.
No, you don't need to tuck your tail in between your legs.
I just realized I muted my mic because I was coughing. And I forgot.
Appreciate you having the respect to mute it.
Off
Oh, of
cough.
course.
Oh, anything for you, Dwayne.
What I was gonna say is it did look like a very solid bull flag mixed with like a 1 minute bullish for value gap. So just double bullish confluence at that point. So that was a good play.
You know, if the captain says good play, that means I did something right finally. Thank God. Oh, man.
Getting a little thick in here, isn't it?
Thanks, coach.
Let's see, we build another bull flag.
Just tap me in.
Put me in, coach.
Put me in. Put me in. Put me in the chair.
A repeat play again. Bull flag. Fair value gap right here.
Well, you know what I like to say, boys? The market
Flag
loves to
order,
repeat
pick up
itself. So when it comes to the flag plays, right? The easiest way to trade with flags is you wait for the second flag, because it's giving you confirmation that that's the direction it's trying to move in.
Well, let's show everybody how it's done, Dwayne. Call it.
Well, we need to push up a little bit more for my liking. Then we build another flag above the 21 EMA. So I want it like right up in this area. We build some structure above the 21 and then we take it higher. Because when that happens, I'll be targeting the low of that 15-minute range.
Oh.
But this is okay right here.
I just want
It's
to
still
wait for the
using
day.
the same gap.
Just want to get above that 21.
21. Can you do something for me? Can you build a build flag here for me?
There you go.
nobody's vibing to that. Okay.
Man, that
No, I
was
think
crazy.
everybody was vibing. Everybody was vibing.
Appreciate y'all. Thank you. Oh, I could have stayed in on that one. Jeez.
Just add a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
I was greedy on my entry. I wanted to see it flush a little lower and then pop back up.
I'm glad I didn't flush any lower. BP, thank you very much for taking my stop loss out.
Really? My entry was set at 416. I was hoping it was going to come down a little bit more.
Move your entry up next time.
I want to see it stay above this 21 EMA. We cleared out some previous candle selling wicks. I would be honestly targeting, if I was going to take another trade, I'd be targeting the low of that 15-minute range. But I want to see another flag.
Give me some.
No, I just realized we took out 360 and then we started pushing up. Good level.
360 or 460?
I had 360
Okay.
as a level.
Yes, sir, Cap.
What we got? I'm starting to stair step its way back up.
For the small 1 minute, like I guess CISD that we formed, the -3 projection was at 462. And then I guess the last targets you would have for this, at least this 1 minute structure specifically, unless there's a higher time frame one that's pushing it higher as well, would be at like 389, 503.
389, 503.
Okay, so repeat that again, but
Okay.
in English.
Okay. So at the very bottom of this trend on the 1 minute chart, we basically swept out the previous low and then we had a CISD or a change in the state of delivery. It started pushing higher, and then if you mark out the manipulation from there, there's deviations such as the -1, -2, -2.5, -3, and then you have the -4 and -4.5. We've taken out majority of those targets. The only ones that were left were the ones at like the very top.
Gotcha.
Just broke below the 423. Just broke below that 423 level. For any longs, I want us to stay above that 423 and above that 21 EMA. For me. Don't know about y'all, but for me. The
DPA.
21's around 440, 50 as well, just so you guys know.
DP, I appreciate your analytical brain and analysis of everything because it's such a great breakdown. Like, generally, I'm just like, and you explain, I'm just like, I cannot see any of that, so I'm glad somebody can.
Gotcha.
Listen, when
Every one
VP
day.
was teaching me terminology over the weekend, he's like, you understand what I'm saying? I'm like, He's like, actually, let me just send you something I got that tells you what each name is on. Perfect, thank you. VP is so smart, I love it. Like, because he brings something that I can't bring because he knows all the terminologies. I know bull flag, bear flag, momentum. That's what you
my
get.
brain's simple.
He's been doing this for 7 years, so he knows way more than I do. And hopefully when I'm 7 years in, I can not be as analytical as him, but at least know a little bit more terminology, I would say, to trading.
I want to be able to like recognize everything the way he recognizes it, even though I may not know my proper terminology of how to call it. I can see it, you know?
We'll see if we get this right here. I feel like this is what it's trying to do.
Oh, damn it. I wanted to buy real quick. I think we're gonna take the high, hopefully. Because if we can keep 392 as a protected low, we should hopefully make a new high. But if not, then this may actually be acting as the retest before the next drop.
I was gonna say this could be like a very steep looking bear flag. Let's just plummet to this pivot that's way down there.
No, I was like so confused for a second. All right. Perfect.
Yeah, I guess it'll honestly tell with this next candle for sure, because if it can't close above 429 again, it's probably going down.
Talking out definitely helps, right? And that's why I love how I'm doing these streams with the market makers, because it makes me a better trader and helping you guys on YouTube, but it's making me a better trader because we have multiple people with different perspectives and we're able to all look at the market differently to figure out what's going to be the best plan of action. At 11, I'm jumping off right away because I gotta change and go to the gym to go do some cardio and sit in the sauna. I got a meeting at 1:30 a day, so gotta do that, get back, shower. Luckily, it's a Teams meeting, so that way I'm able to just be at the house to do it, but still a meeting.
Copy spoon. Yeah, we got a funeral today. One of our family friends came and visited us from Pennsylvania, surprise visit. So that was pretty cool.
Well, that was nice of them.
Well, condolences from all of us. For I know you've heard it before, but it's tough through the process.
Yep.
All right. Biggest thank you to all of you for all your kind words and actions. I truly appreciate it.
Listen, we're family, bro. If you're part of the Legacy Wealth Society, we're a family. And at the end of the day, we got real people. I mean, real people. No fakes in Legacy. That's what I love about it. Like, all quality people. And we all care about each other. That's the best part about this. You know what I'm saying? We all truly care about everyone winning in life in every aspect of their life. Relationships, family, finances. And we're all here to come together to build each other and help each other grow at the end of the day. Have a good one, Rob. I see a potential bear flag on the 2-minute. Potential bear flag. We are below that 423 level as well.
If we
No,
start
the Bears
closing
are-
Bolo like 413, then yeah, we're probably switching to bearish again.
Yeah, I feel like the Bears are trying to drop this.
Because for that one play, it took out like 80% of where you would have wanted price to go and didn't make it all the way to TP. But yeah, this is now flushing for sure.
Breaking news. What's the breaking news? Defense Department CTO on U.S.-Iran war. I don't know what CTO means. Oh, what was that? Oh, that was scary. I accidentally somehow moved my mouse and it got pinned under the mic and it clicked. Golly, that was scary.
Would have been nice if it was an accidental short entry though.
Facts.
650 on that.
Let's go, G.
I feel like it definitely wants to roll over here.
Yeah, it's just another bit higher.
Yeah, I'm done trading. Green in 5 accounts. One eval did die today. But green in 5 accounts. Other than that eval that got blown. So
Hey, same here actually. Killed one today, so that was fun. Rest in peace to my eval.
go do your civic duties, warrior. Good job.
So is it true that BP just said 8 minutes to midnight trade? That means 12 contracts, and you're gonna do it until 10 o'clock.
No. If
I
he
said no
that,
such
he's
thing.
mistaken.
I
Oh,
said
very.
no such thing.
Well, he was thinking it.
I don't think BP would make me do that right before I come out to San Antonio so we can go grab dinner and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Well, he wants to have an extra appetizer. He wants you to be flush.
Like, nah, like he'll be paying at that point because I'll probably blow an account.
Oh man.
You know, we ain't doing that. Sorry to hear that, Times. Just patience, bro. Patience. When you're in your funded accounts, patience. Base hit it. If the move's not there, don't trade.
Listen, I haven't touched my my funded in like 3 days. That's how bad. I was like, man. Since last week.
That's
How
good.
afraid I am.
It's
good,
not about-
dude.
you should- listen,
That's
you should
good.
not be afraid, boys. You should not be afraid. You should just be patient. It's not about being fearful. There's nothing to fear. Because whenever you're fearful, you actually make more mistakes because you're afraid of losing.
That was me for like the past month.
Yeah, you can't trade that way.
That's for sure.
That's
You have to
sure-
come to the market each and every day knowing it's a clean slate.
I'm trying to trade in micros. A little more risk taking. Help my mental a little better.
Yeah, you gotta see what works best for you, bro. Like for me, I can't trade micros. It doesn't get me excited to trading micros. 2 minis? Yeah, sign me up. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm proud of myself. I used to trade four contracts on a 50K account.
I remember. That was prime Duane.
And I pulled back on the contract size just so that way I'm not over leveraging, so accounts could last longer. We got 6 more minutes. I'm gonna be jumping off, folks. I'll be back for the Traders Hangout tonight, where we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna be dialed, ready to go. I low-key wish that my video guy did not fly to Italy. He's in Italy right now, which is happy for him. What's up, Habu? But I'm like, I'm planning on taking him to Portugal in July. So I'm looking at buying this like super nice villa. Not buying, renting a nice villa in Portugal. when we're out there overlooking the coast, everything like that, because we're gonna shoot mad content out there, mad content. So looking at probably bringing him in for like 5 days I'm out there.
Sure, I'll be a video guy. I just got my gear back here.
Oh,
Take me anywhere.
you're talking dirty right now, Mitch.
Oh, you can have 2 camera guys. You get multiple.
No,
angles.
I'm not trying to afford 2 cameras. Camera guy. I'll do 1 camera guy.
Yeah, my brother brought all my gear down that I needed, so I was like, perfect. I can do some stuff.
Okay, that's awesome. Well, we could definitely talk because I am planning on taking either him or maybe you, Mitch, for 5 days, just doing the vlogs, everything like that.
Yeah.
But I would get you in if, like, say, Mitch, I did take you instead of him if he's not available, whatever. I would have you guys talk, just so that way he could tell you exactly what we're going for. You know what I'm saying?
100%.
Because he's doing all the editing.
Perfect. I was about to say, hope you got an editor.
Like, he's
Like,
doing
get
all
the
the
first number to
editing.
somebody else.
I had to give it up because I told myself this year is a year of growth in every area.
He gave me up and he gave that up.
Huh?
He gave me up and he gave that up, Jive Turkey.
I didn't give you up. I've been waiting for you to get the stuff, bro. But it's one of those things where I'm really good at shooting content. I'm horrible. I won't say horrible at editing. I just don't like doing it.
It's a lot of time.
So I got tons of videos that need to get edited currently. And I figured it's better for me, like, my girl, she's like, oh, like, why don't you just edit it? I'm like, honestly, I don't want to edit. Like, I'd rather pay someone to do the editing, so that's one less thing I have to think about.
I guess that's true. I think it can be fun though.
No, it definitely is. Like, I'm gonna do a quick edit on the quick little short style vlog when I went down to see Mitch. I'm gonna do that one because it's a way less time consuming because it's not that long of a video. But
Hey,
like
we're
on the
gonna see this
longer
Sportsman.
stuff, like, I don't know. Like, I did have one video pop on YouTube that I personally edited, but the next couple vlogs after that, they kind of flopped. Not gonna lie, they kind of flopped.
Did you say that vlog was posted?
No, I gotta edit that one.
Okay.
But I'm gonna edit that one because it's a shorter one. It's a shorter
I
one.
remember you had mentioned something about it the other day. I was like, wait, did he say it was posted or wasn't posted?
You got the skills, Dwayne. You just don't want to do it. That's the thing. I mean, and I understand that, but you're crazy on that stuff. You get a little bit loopy.
For me, I just want better transitions, to be real.
Multi-talented individual.
Like, I want better transitions. I'm not in a trade. I'm done trading for the day.
So I
You're
better be
not
done
enjoying
too.
the chop.
Oh, I'm mad at this.
I mean,
On that
hopefully
5
tomorrow's
minute, that
better.
looks like a massive bull flag on the 5 minute.
Hopefully tomorrow's better because I got 690 left to pass the dude down.
I have on. Let's see here. Let's see. Come to the computer. Because I've been working just base hitting a couple accounts with Tradeify, trying to get 5 select funded. I'm not trying to activate growth accounts anymore that I could actually activate currently. I need on this one less than 6. This one 7. This one like 1,200. So I told myself if it takes me this whole week to get 10 accounts fully funded, I'm okay with that. Because for the rest of the month, for 3 weeks, I'm just gonna be base hitting in all of them. So that way at the end of the month, I can take a 20K payout. With the vlog stuff as well, I realized I need to work on becoming a better storyteller. Like knowing what type of shots I need to get instead of it just being like just random clips here and there. That's what I realized as well. It is 11, going on 11 on 1 now.
Boys, I'm about to disappear.
Huh?
I was just about to say, boys, I'm about to disappear.
Yeah, I'm disappearing as well. I'm following your footsteps. Gentlemen, it's been a pleasure trading with all you guys today. Tonight we do have the Traders Hangout at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you're available, come hang out with us. We're talking trading, life, everything in between. Smooth. I don't think you're allowed to do that. They consider that hedging.
All right, see you guys. Have a good one.
All right, Mitch.
Take care, man. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
You guys have a solid rest of your day. Everyone, talk to you tonight. Stay safe in the markets if you're still going to be trading. Have a good one, Tim, Amanda, BP, aka not going to say your government.
See you later.
All right.
Moose,
All right,
Steve,
guys.
G,
You guys have a good
love
one.
you
Take
guys.
care. You guys have a good day.
Adios,
Be blessed,
amigo.
everyone.
Love you guys too, man.
Adios, Unc.
Have a good one, time.